What's up guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've actually got a quick and fun video. I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights. We're going to be doing the headlights on the Vet and also ceramic coat them at the same time. And you don't have to do any painting, you don't have to do any buffing, none of that. We're actually going to be using the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. I'll show you here shortly on how to do it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Get you guys a quick look at the condition of the headlights. Now this is by far my worst one, the passenger side. She's pretty faded. Right here you can tell that the clear's starting to go extra. The driver's side though, it's not as bad, but you can tell that the clear's starting to go here as well. It's not as faded, but the clear's starting to go pretty good. But we're gonna focus on this one because it's obviously the worst condition. And I'll show you guys real quick what all comes in the kit. Everything's laid out nice. It's step 1, step 2, and step 3 right here, and it comes with gloves. So everything you need except for the water, basically. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just start out with step 1 right now, which is the cleaning pads. It comes with 8 of them, and you're gonna wanna do, let's see here, 4 per headlight. So we're gonna just go ahead and start cleaning them, just start doing them in a circular motion. Make sure and use all 4 pads per headlight. And then what the directions we're saying is we'll start to get a little bit of a yellowing. Try not to get any of it on your paint. Let's see here. First pad down, I don't know, I think the light is kind of washing it out, but she's pretty yellow. It's gotten pretty yellow already. So that's a good sign. Okay boys. That's the fourth and final one for this headlight. It's not as yellow as the first couple, but they said that if you do get a little bit of yellow on your 4th one, not that big a deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the driver's side real quick, and then we can get back to going on this one. So after you're done with the final wipe, go ahead and clean it off now. I used a blue shop rag for the first go around. I already jumped ahead, I apologize, but then I just grabbed a bottle of water and then just poked a hole in the top, just like when you're wet sanding, and then go ahead and just clean all the excess off. It just says clean thoroughly, and then we can get started on to the second step. Okay boys, now we're on to step 2. We're gonna go ahead and grab the sanding pad, grab your red disc, put it on there. Then go ahead and wet down the surface of the headlight. As you can see, this is still oxidized. That's fine. Those wipes aren't gonna make it look brand new right away. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and wet down the headlight and then just start sanding on it. Don't do a tight circular motion. If you're afraid of getting your paint, go ahead and tape it off, but I like to live a little dangerously. Okay, so I've been sanding on this for about a good 3 minutes or so. Time to wipe it off. This is where we're at with the first pad. I'm a little worried about this right here, but hopefully we can even that out, and then the ceramic wipes. I don't know. I'm a little nervous because of the way this looks. The camera's not really bringing it up a whole lot, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the gray pad on, and then we can get after it. Now it's just the same thing as the first part with the red pad. Okay boys, so it's been about 3 minutes or so with the gray pad. We'll go ahead and wipe her down. And that's what we're left with. Nice and smooth. I noticed it started to smooth out nicely. These parts I'm a little still concerned about, but once we get the ceramic on there, hopefully it'll all even out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the driver's side done, and then we can go ahead and do the final step. Just got done with the second step on both sides. Just gonna show you guys where we're at right now. Passenger side. These are the spots right here that I'm a little worried about, the burn marks right there. Now there's nothing really I could prevent with that because these headlights are from 2008 and it's 2020 now, so they've been in there for a little while. So I am a little nervous on how that's gonna come out. But yeah, second stage is done. Go ahead and make sure they're super dry. I went ahead and blew them off with the air hose after wiping down with the blue shop towels. Everything's dry, so now we can start the third final step. Third and final step, the ceramic coat. Go ahead and make sure and put your gloves on. You don't want to get this on your skin. This stuff is, it's pretty potent, I'm not gonna lie. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and do it in one solid motion. They say don't go over it more than once, so. Making sure not to get any on your paint. And there we go. I just did one pass covering 50, just like when you're spraying. Do one and then 50% over that, and you're good to go. Wow, these actually came out better than I was expecting. For what they are, they came out great. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then we can take a better look. They came out pretty good. The one that I'm the most impressed with actually is this one over here. Now I've had some really bad concerns about it. Now they're not perfect obviously, but if I didn't have that part where it burnt through the clear coat, it would actually look really good. The camera's actually making it look a lot worse than it really is. But I do believe they came out pretty good. Not too bad for not having to buff and do all that or paint them. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. All right, boys, I'm gonna go ahead and just end the video right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The headlights didn't come out brand new, but they came out way better than I was actually expecting them to. For 12-year-old headlights, I think they came out great for no buffing and no painting. And it was really straightforward. So if you guys had any reservations at all, I definitely recommend this product. I'll post a link in the description below and then you guys can go ahead and go from there. But yeah, really straightforward, super simple. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below or message me on Instagram. I do want to note though that you guys do want to wait about 60 minutes or so before you drive or get them wet at all. So yeah, we're going to wait about 60 minutes and then I'm going to take off. So as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great night.